This is my bathtub, guys. It's extremely dirty. You can see there is a scope scum everywhere. It's showing very well on stainless steel surface. You can see here all the dirt. So yeah, what I'm gonna use is this Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. It's gonna work amazing. It's gonna get rid of all this dirt effortlessly. So what you're gonna need is a sponge. You will need this type of sponge from 3M. So you need this scraping surface as well as the soft surface. And also you will need some gloves to protect your hands and old toothbrush. So what I did is I poured some Lysol over the bathtub, and now I'm gonna start wiping and scraping the surface. But you will see it's look, I just wiped it and it's already clean. So I'm gonna continue cleaning and scraping, and I'll show you at the end. This bathtub, it's gonna be sparkling clean, shiny. There's not gonna be any dirt left at all. It's just so amazing, guys. Okay, I'm gonna continue doing and then I'll show you the end result. So this is how I'm gonna clean my bathroom sink as well. So just pour some Lysol. Here you go. And just start wiping. And then for this places, I just use toothbrush. So I'm just in the middle of my cleaning, guys. Everything is pretty much done. I'm even cleaning tiles with this Lysol toilet bowl cleaner, and I can already see how dirt is coming off and everything is very clean. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash it off all with the clean water, and I will show you how clean it's going to look. Here how clean it looks after I washed everything with the clean water. Everything is sparkling clean, no dirt whatsoever. The bathtub is sparkling. As you can see it, you can also use it in your kitchen sink. Look how sparkling clean it is. Not even a single piece of dirt left. Everything is sparkling, shiny, clean. See? This is amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please subscribe and click like if you like this video. And see you next time. Bye.